Hello everyone, welcome to Part-9 of Ecom series in Laravel 5.6, and in this video we are going to migrate our Laravel 5.6 e-commerce project to Laravel 5.7. Okay, so Laravel 5.7 we all know that have been recently launched, and now it's the time that we can update our project to Laravel 5.7. Okay, so you can see Laravel 5.7 in Laravel.com website. See, Laravel 5.7 is updated recently, and we want to shift our Laravel 5.6 project to Laravel 5.7 because in future we can use the Laravel 5.7 feature as well. Okay, we don't want to left behind. Okay, so we need to update ourselves from time to time, and all the updation that we need to do means in Laravel 5.7 that we will do. We will add new project, okay, of Laravel 5.7, and we are going to move our e-commerce project to Laravel 5.7 one step to step. We are going to do everything. So let's start working on this thing. Okay. In this video, in part 69, or we can say or part 3. This is the common part for both, but later on, if you are following 5.7 series, then in next video I'm going to tell you that what's new in 5.7, and but if you are following e-commerce series, then from next video we are going to start checkout procedure. Okay, so that is related with billing, shipping, and finally order view. So that is very important. So in both the cases, both videos, next videos are going to be really important for everyone. So in this video, in part 69 or part 3 of in part 59 of ecom series, or part 3 of Laravel 5.7 series, we are going to migrate our Laravel 5.6 ecom project to Laravel 5.7. Okay, so that we can use so that we can use all essential features of Laravel 5.7 in future. Okay, so many things are left in our e-commerce project, so we need to update now. So we will take below steps for migration. Okay, or you can say for conversion, for migration, or for conversion. Okay, so let's start. First, we are going to install. I'm going to download new Laravel 5.7 project. Okay, so here we can see installation. Okay, so we will install in the same way. 5.7 installation. You can follow if you are not familiar, though you are more familiar. I think now there is no confusion at all. Even if you are not familiar, then you can follow. Let you know a few minutes. So you can follow below link to install new Laravel 5.7 project. Okay. Otherwise, you can simply give below command. So we are going to give this command. See this one, very simple. Laravel new, and here we are going to give our name. See, we are going to move this our sample project. This is our e-commerce project, and we are going to move sample. Here I am writing right now project name. Okay, Laravel new project name. In our case, we are going to create new Laravel project with name sample 5.7. Okay, so we will give below command Laravel new sample 5.7. Okay, first we are going to install this one. Here only we can install in our Laravel folder. You can install in your folder. So Laravel new sample 5.7. It will install the new installation of Laravel. Okay, so now it started installing new Laravel project. Okay, so here it's going to install new Laravel 5.7 project, and when it installed, then what we are going to do, we are going to open two folders like this, and we are going to move files from sample folder to this one, see sample folder to sample 5.7. Okay, and we are going to move our files from sample folder to sample 5.7. Sample folder is in 5.6, and this one is sample 5.7 is 5.7 version. And we are going to move our files like we will move controller files, model files, CSS, JS files, images, and we are going to update env file connection. We are going to update, and we are going to copy model file as well. And other than that, we also need to copy middleware. Okay, so we need to copy our means update middleware class file kernel.php. So all those settings we need to do in Laravel 5.7 project. And once we are ready with it, we will see that it's working fine or not. Then we can update our Laravel 5.7 project with Laravel 5.7 additional syntax that are only available in Laravel 5.7, like kind of email verification. Email verification is the new thing that comes up with the Laravel 5.7, and along with this, and there are many new things that we are going to learn with Laravel 5.7. So that all we can do in our e-commerce project. Otherwise, if we will continue with Laravel 5.6, then we can't able to do new things that are available in Laravel 5.7. So we are going to update our project to Laravel 5.7 now, and will take benefit of new things in future. Okay, so our installation is still going on. You can see our installation is still going on, and it will take some time to install. Okay, so just wait for the installation to continue, and after the installation is complete, then we will start working on other things. Okay. See, our installation has been done successfully. Now all the files have come in sample 5.7, and now we are going to run our project. So I am going to exit from here, and now from here, after going in sample 5.7 folder, here I am going to run our PHP artisan serve command. Okay, so now we are going to check that our installation has been successful or not. See, Laravel has been installed, and we will also check whether this installation, whether means which version of Laravel it is. So we will check PHP artisan version. Okay, so now see Laravel 5.7.5. So it is fine. This is the version that we require. If you can see here. Okay, so I can just for you want to show that this version we have installed Laravel 5.7.5. Okay, so uh, after installation, you can run your new Laravel 5.7 project by below command php artisan serve, and also check uh, uh, version of Laravel php artisan version. Right now it is coming as Laravel Framework 5.7.5. Okay, so it means that our Laravel installation is successful. Okay, okay, now we are going to take other steps. Okay, this one we don't require, we can exit. Okay, so now as I told earlier that we are going to copy from sample folder to sample 5.7 folder. Okay, so we can start with the controller files first. Okay, see this, we can start this time. Okay, so let's uh, copy controller files, and we are going to copy our controllers file from app http controllers. Okay, from this folder. Mm, copy controller files from. Okay, this one you can open here as well. Okay, so we need to copy controller files from sample folder that is in Laravel 5.6 to sample 5.7 folder that is in uh, Laravel 5.7. Okay, as listed below. Okay, like this we are going to do all other things. So now see copy and see here uh, for the safe side what we are going to do. We are not going to upload controller. We are going to upload accept controller, means going to add all these files accept controller. Okay, don't replace controller dot php file, but open both the files and add function. I'm going to open both the files now, both the folders. Uh, three. Oh, sorry. Now here. Now what I will do, I will going to in one here and going to add exactly 5.7 here as well. Okay, so what I will do, I am going to open controller file here like this, and here also I'm going to open controller file. And what I am going to do, I'm going to add this one, like use app category. I'm going to add. See, we are going to compare because we don't know that if anything new in controller.php has come, then if we will replace complete file of controller.php, then it is not good for us. So we are going to copy the things that we have added to our controller.php file. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply copy this one here, and we can simply add function this one here. Okay, so like this we can copy, so that if anything new, then is not going to be replaced. Okay, so don't place and both file and copy the header statement and function from old file to new file. Okay, like this we can copy the controller files. Okay, so that is fine. Now after doing this thing, we are going to copy model files. Okay, so model files as well, we are going to copy in the same way, like we have done the controller files. Okay, so copy model files from no to uh, Laravel sample 5.7. Okay, so we are going to copy all these files and accept user.php. Okay, we can copy all the files accept user.php that we will open at both ends and make changes. Okay, so this is the similar kind of thing that we will do. Okay, PHP, and here also we are going to open user.php, and now what we anything is new in our user.php files, then we are going to copy that. Okay, so I think it seems to be similar. Okay, yeah, we have not see the chain here. Must verify email. You can see the chain. You can see this chain that is added in Laravel 5.7. So this is the big chain. Must verify email means now we have the auto class in Laravel 5.7. This is the big chain that we are working, and this chain we have got after checking both the files. Okay, so so. Now you can see in user.php files that we have seen a major change in Laravel 5.7, and and uh, and that uh, you can see this class and 7. Okay, below new class now comes into existence. Okay, and this is the class that is related with email verification. Okay, verification that can happen at the time of user registration process. Okay. Okay. So this is the new chain that we have come to see. Okay, and we can see this chain, new change in user dot user model, new chain in user model. Okay, so we can see this new chain we are going to add in our e-commerce project. Okay, so this is the chain that I am talking about, and this one we are going to use means when we will work on emails. Okay, verification. Okay, and you can see this thing is not there in our old file. Okay, so that's why I say that don't replace all these files, because then we are going to end with Laravel 5.6 only. We need to add only those codes that we have added in Laravel 5.6 project, means our functions, means our header statements, our CSS, our JS, but we are not going to replace that is available in Laravel 5.7. Okay, so we will keep original content of Laravel 5.7. So so that is fine. We are not going to do anything. Okay, so nothing to do in user.php file. Just we have seen what's new in Laravel 5.7. Okay, so email verification kind of thing. Okay, so we have seen that email verification has given us in Laravel. Okay, then continue with other steps. Now we have copy model file as well. Now we are going to copy middleware files. Copy middleware file, and this one front login dot php. Okay, now copy middleware file, front login dot php from So sample 5.7, okay, here, and now we can copy this file, copy, and we can keep it in middleware here. Okay, fine. And now we need to, it will not work like this, and we need to update kernel.php file. Okay, so another step that is essential, update kernel.php file. Okay, now update kernel.php file located at path that we are going to open kernel.php file app.http. Okay, so here we are going to open now. Okay, and there also we are going to open this file kernel.php, and we again update this front loading class. Okay, so spell and add below class under the route middleware. Okay, so we are going to add this class under route middleware, and see where it is, and see here it is. So we are going to add under this class. Okay, here. Add. Okay, so that's also done. Now we can copy our view files. Okay, copy view folder files. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now we will copy view copy views folder files located under resources. Okay, this one we are going to copy, and we can open at both ends now, and resources views. Okay, you can open here as well, views. Okay, so now you can copy everything except welcome.blade.php file. You can leave this thing, and you can copy the rest of the things here. Okay, so we have seen that we copy from everything here, this folder. Done. Okay, so now we are going to copy CSS, JS, font, images. Okay, so now we are going to copy this thing under public folder. Now we will copy images public folder. Okay, so folder for Laravel 5.7. So what we are going to do, and we here and on public and CSS, and the one you can copy. Okay, like this. We can copy JS and all remaining as well. Leave app.js. You can copy fonts as well. You can copy everything, all other folders straight away. What is this? You can see other chains in public folder, and you can see the chain like SVG folder. Now you can see new SVG folder under public folder, and this one is not available here under public folder. You can see there is no SVG folder kind of thing. Where here you can see SVG folder. Okay, so other chain we have seen, and uh, you can see uh, the SVG folder in Laravel 5.7 project under public folder, but it's not there in Laravel 5.6. Okay, so this is also the new thing we able to discover here. This is showing some kind of errors. Okay, and 403 error, 404 error, and it looks that such kind of errors it will show. Okay, see these images might be shown with the error message. So, so these are the images that are going to available in Laravel 5.7, and there is some purpose regarding these images that we will see in the next video, and we are going to use and we are going to see that how it will work. But now we can simply seeing that that this new folder, and this is only possible when we are migrating one by one file to Laravel 5.7. We are going to see many new things in Laravel 5.7 like this, and 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 we are going to use, we are going to learn. Okay, so going to implement all this. So let's continue. Okay, so now see, we are ready with this folder as well. We have able to copy all the folders, and now we are going to update env file this time. Okay, so this is the last step, update .env file. Okay, in last step we are going to update .env file, and we'll give save database configuration that we have given to our Laravel 5.6 e-commerce project. Okay, so let's see. We are going to open .env file here and here as well. Okay, and now we are going to give everything similar: localhost it is, and sample project it is sample, username is root, like this. Okay, so we are going to use our same database here as well. So now we are going to refresh the Laravel 5.7 project, and also one more step, we how we can forget that. So last update web.php. Okay, we have forgotten to update our route file. That is the most important file. Right. So we will open both the file and copy all rows from Laravel 5.6 route file to Laravel 5.7 route file. Okay, so this is the most essential what we are going to do here. Web.php, and here as well web.php, like this, and all these routes I'm going to copy that we have worked with. Okay, so here I can copy all the routes. Fine, now we can run again and we'll see the error message. Okay, no issue. We will see what's happening. .env, it seems to be fine. we are going to restart our project once again. Okay, so sample 5.7, git bash here, PHP artisan. So okay, now we are going to see once again. Oh, finally it starts working. Okay, so this is also restart Laravel project again. 7. Okay, now see by running the command. Okay, so now it start working. So we finally able to update our Laravel 5.6 project, but we are going to see once that everything is working fine. Okay, so just see that everything is working fine because we are not sure. Okay, might be some issue comes in some of the page, so you need to check that everything. You also need to check that shopping is working fine or not. Okay, so simply check some of the main features. Everything seems to be fine, and add to cart we will also check. Okay, so see everything seems to be working fine. Okay, uh, eh, we can see in video that everything seems to be working fine, and now our e-commerce project is in Laravel 5.7. Okay, so we can check once again that this e-commerce project is in Laravel 5.7. Okay, so PHP artisan version C. Okay, so we can check once again if our e-commerce project is in Laravel 5.7 now by running the command. Okay, PHP artisan version. So now we are sure that we have updated our ecom project to Laravel 5.7. Okay, so in next video we are going to start working on checkout page of our e-commerce project, and in Laravel 5.7 series we are going to learn what's new in Laravel 5.7 in detail. So stay tuned for the videos. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I hope everything is clear to you. We have done the migration of our Laravel 5.6. Okay, so we can also say to convert to Laravel 5.7. Okay, and 7, and along with that, we have seen some of the new updates in Laravel 5.7. Okay, so in next video we will see in detail as well. And now that's all for now. And have a nice time. Goodbye.